Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to spy on your competitors' best ads so you can figure out what's working for them and then beat them by making better YouTube ads. So let's get right into it, but before we do, please smash the subscribe button and hit a like button so I can keep making more awesome videos for you guys. Alright guys, so the first tool we're going to use is this tool called Vidtal. Now Vidtal is an awesome tool, right? It's very easy to sign up for. And what you do is you click this login button. You can sign up with your Google account. Once you log in here, there are a few things you need to note, right? The first is that the top performers, right? These are the best performing video ads in terms of views. They're not the best performing in terms of ROI. So as you can tell, there are a lot of music videos and so on that have gotten huge amounts of views. However, if you look up view top videos, and you can basically scroll down and you can find videos in your niche. This looks like e-commerce. They're doing business cards, so that also looks like a potentially interesting option. And then keep scrolling down. This is an e-commerce video as well. So Dr. Squatch, they're a very well-known basically brand. We've done a video ad breakdown on them if you look up Shash Singh Dr. Squatch. But basically, this is an ad that's just absolutely crushing it. They're running it at scale and acquiring massive amounts of customers with this. So that's kind of how you use it, right? So that's one way of doing it. Now, the second thing you want to take a look at is their top advertisers. So we can see here what their top advertisers are in terms of basically their last 30-day views. You can see Grammarly is absolutely crushing it. You can see that, for example, there are a lot of big brands here, but if you scroll down, you'll see Shopify, so you can see what kind of ads they're doing. eToro, obviously, is just absolutely killing it. VShred. Now, VShred is a direct response supplement and course company. So if you're in the fitness space, the one brand you should really look at is VShred, right? So if you want to look at more of VShred's ads, what you'll do is just search VShred in the search bar, and a bunch of their ads will show up. So one of the cool features here is over here you can sort by view count, so the most views. So this is their most popular ad. You can also sort by what's working in the last 30 days because sometimes ads stop working. So you can see over here that they have a variation over here. And this, oh yeah, this is their ad with pizza and veggies, and he's talking about how he's gonna eat pizza to be ripped, right? And that's basically the angle that he's using there. Now, if you look over here, there's another ad. Again, VShred is an amazing advertiser to study, and they're masters of persuasion. So you can see in this one right here, they're just going full on clickbait with it. So that's very useful. So you basically can search for whatever advertiser you want, right? So Vidtal is an amazing tool to find your competitors' ads. Now, another tool that you can use is PowerAdSpy.com. So PowerAdSpy is actually a paid tool. I think just for YouTube, you pay $47 a month. Now, Vidtal is completely free. However, with PowerAdSpy, one of the major advantages is the fact that you have a lot more filters. So you could, and it also catches some ads that basically Vidtal doesn't catch, right? So sometimes I'll use this if I'm trying to find a particular ad, but I'm not finding it on Vidtal. So let's say Kevin David, if you want to look up ads for Kevin David. So basically the cool thing about these guys is they have these filters, they have basically countries, ad type, language, you can sort by likes, views, comments, dislikes. So this is kind of definitely a more advanced platform, and then you can also basically sort ads by landing page platform. So if you want to look at the best ads for e-commerce, you can look at these e-commerce platforms. You can look at ClickBank if you're looking for affiliate ads. So there's a lot of really cool things you can do with PowerAdSpy.com. So I'd highly recommend checking them out as well. Now, as you can see here, a bunch of Kevin David ads show up, and you can even subscribe to this so those ads show up. The cool thing about PowerAdSpy is you can use multiple platforms. It will cost you extra, but again, this is a very powerful tool as well. Now, a couple things for both Vidtal and PowerAdSpy that you want to take a look at. With Vidtal, one of the really useful features they have is basically their last 30 days. So if an ad's getting a lot of views in the last 30 days, it's usually basically a sign that it's doing really well. While if an ad has gotten a lot of views in the past, but in the last 30 days it's gotten 0 views, that ad probably burned out and kind of was oversaturated. So that's something to keep in mind. And usually once an ad gets over 100,000 views, I know that ad is really taken off and it's doing very, very well. Obviously in certain niches, it's gonna cost more and less. Now, one extra bonus tip I want to give you is if you really want to find an ad and you're struggling to find it on these platforms, one thing you can do is just go to your competitor's website, get cookied and pixeled by them. Make sure ad block is off, because you don't want to be on YouTube with ad block on and you can't see those ads. So get rid of ad block, disable it, and just go onto their website, because chances are you'll get hit by one of the retargeting ads. That will help you get even more data and information. Now, how do you use this information to actually be able to make strategic decisions? So the first thing you really want to look at is the hook. The first 5 to 10 seconds of an ad can often make a huge difference as to how an ad performs. So if you look at the best ads, like if you look at VShred's ads, usually the first 5 seconds are very intriguing and interesting, and people are hooked in and they just want to keep watching after that point. So the hook is the #1 factor involved. Other factors you want to look for is social proof. So how do they use social proof in a way that's intelligent? Some ads might have testimonials in them. Some ads might show a screenshot of customer reviews. So that's also something interesting to check out. One thing you'll notice with really great ads is they'll have very strong call to actions where they tell you, hey, go click the link above or below to go take this action. So in VShred's case, they'll tell you, hey, we made a quiz, go click on that quiz so you can figure out your exact body type, etc. So that's something to keep in mind. Now guys, I hope this video was awesome. If you liked it, smash the subscribe button, and the next video I want you to watch, which will be here somewhere, is our video on how to script a great YouTube video ad. And go watch that video to learn how we actually make 7-figure YouTube ads. So I'll see you in that next video.